of the Academe, to our guest of honor, to our parents and companions, to our newly licensed professional electronics engineers, and to all my fellow electronic technicians and electronics engineers, a very pleasant afternoon. Before anything else, I know most of you are bored and tired. Don't worry po, I will try to be brief kasi gutom na rin po ako. Yeah. When I was asked to make a speech, to be honest, I was lost. Speeches aren't really my thing po kasi. Back in UP po, we were asked to submit a speech to deliver on behalf of the graduates. I did not submit. The truth is, hindi ko po alam kung paano ko po kayo may inspire. Hindi po kami mayaman, pero hindi ko rin naman po masasabing sobra naming hirap. I was not born with a silver spoon on my mouth, pero we had enough to make ends meet. Wala po kaming kotse o motor, but I am lucky that I didn't have to spend hours walking on barefoot just to go to school, like what our parents endured. Siyempre, kwento nila yun, tatawid talaga silang bundok doon, di ba? Hindi. Biro lang po mga parents, mahal po namin kayo. What I'm saying is that I did not come from extraordinary struggles, nor did I face unsurmountable odds just to get here or just to be here. My journey wasn't marked by anything spectacular. It was simple, straightforward even, but that's exactly what I want to talk about. Just like many of you, normal na estudyante lang rin po ako, believe it or not. Napatawag sa principal's office, nag-cutting para mag-com shop, bumagsak, umiyak, pumasa, nagka-crash, umiyak ulit. I am not the perfect role model most of you assume me to be. You see, I live quite the normal life. Not one with my head deep between books. And to achieve something this great, this is really one for the books. Yeah. The irony isn't lost in me. Not all successes need to be born from adversity. Sometimes success is about consistency, discipline, and showing up every single day, even when it feels ordinary. It's about doing the little things right. Sometimes you can feel that engineering is a very competitive and fast-paced field to practice. We are always expected to do groundbreaking innovations, but it should not always be the case. Let's learn to cut ourselves some slacks because we deserve to live a little. I am a delayed student. I did not graduate on time because I shifted into ECE from computer science. Yeah, I also have the same question. Why? Well, I guess at first, it's because of the prestige. But I have learned to love our program along the way. It is a noble field, and I wouldn't stand here today had I not persevered and get through even the most grueling of days. You see, it's also about the consistent effort we put in every day. Pag-aaral ng basic principles, pagsubok at pag-fail ng mga circuits, pag-debug ng codes, pagre-review sa concepts, kahit feeling naman natin, alam naman natin na yun. Getting up and keeping the fire burning in itself is already an achievement. Because at the end of the day, who cares if all I learned today was V equals IR? Then, it's all the more reason to get up the very next day to learn about Shockley's equation, right? You see, the quench for knowledge never stops as long as there is something to learn. In engineering, you do not need to be the brightest and the best to make a change. You just need to find a solution that addresses real problems, a solution that actually matters. Sometimes it's about solving small problems that creates ripple. Because with every resistor that heats up, with every capacitor that blows up, with every line of code that goes amiss, we have the potential to revolutionize life. As I end my speech today, I would like to take the time to give my utmost appreciation to my family. My mother, who single-handedly raised our family. You are my inspiration, Mom, and I aspire to be as strong as you. My sisters, who never forget to nag me to wash the dishes. Thank you for supporting me throughout my studies. My college constants, who are now engineers, Nix, Marion, Lester, Jigs, and soon-to-be engineers, RJ, MG, and Hans. Thank you for being there through ups and downs. You guys are the best. To those I have become close with during my review season, Ryan, Nira, Andrew, Alfred, Philip, JD, and Gab. To my Valo buddies, whom most I just met actually today. To my roommates in UP, Hans and Justin. To my mentors and professors. To every other people unmentioned who have made meaningful impact to my journey. And above all, to Almighty God. Thank you very much. As I have observed, marami po sa atin plakadong-plakado. Ready na po mag-pictorial mamaya with matching captions sa FB. Full name, ECE, ECT, or officially a licensed engineer. Because as we should. The journey that we have been through, the countless and sleepless nights we have endured, the years of studying we have committed ourselves just to be here in this very place, at this very time, saying the same exact oath a lot before us have sworn to. That wasn't easy. It almost took our sanity. So don't let anyone take it away from you. The moment is pristine, and we deserve every ounce of it. Either to share and shout for the whole world to hear, or to celebrate the win within ourselves. Pagbati sa mga bagong henerasyon ng ininyerong pang-elektroniko ng bayan, lagit-lagi para sa bayan, padayon.